At the end of this assignment, you will be able to set system date and time, change date and time formats, synchronize time with an internet server, and change the time zone. The system date and system time are the date and time as maintained by the computer's internal clock. Windows uses these settings to identify when files are created or modified. In order to change the date and time in Windows 10, click Start. Scroll down the alphabetical list on the left to Windows System and click. From the drop-down list, select Control Panel, Date and Time. A new window will open with 3 tabs: Date and Time, Additional Clocks, and Internet Time. Click the Change Date and Time button on the Date and Time tab to change the time and date settings. First, let us change the time to the 12-hour AM/PM format. To do this, click Change Calendar Settings, select the Time tab and go to Short Time. From the drop-down list, select the format HHMMTT. Similarly, you can change the long time format too. Click Apply and then OK to close the window. You may change the settings in the displayed window if you wish. For now, just click OK. To make other changes to the time and date in the Date and Time settings window, select the appropriate date from the calendar. To set the time, enter the desired time in the box under Time. To change only the hour value, double-click the hour value and then click the arrows to increase or decrease the value. Similarly, you may change the values of minutes and seconds and the AM/PM indicator. In the Date and Time settings window, click Change Calendar Settings. In the Customize Format window, you may change the date format on the Date tab. Click OK when done. You may use the Region window to specify other settings. Click OK when done and then click OK once again in the Date and Time settings window. You may also synchronize your computer clock using an internet time server. For this, make sure you are connected to the internet. On the Internet Time tab in the Date and Time window, click Change Settings. If the box against Synchronize with an Internet Time Server is unchecked, click it. Select the appropriate server and then click Update Now. After the clock is synchronized, click OK. Time zones are areas of the Earth that use the same standard time, usually referred to as the local time. To change your time zone, activate the Date and Time tab and click Change Time Zone. Then select the appropriate time zone from the list and click OK. Now you may close the Date and Time window. You have reached the end of the assignment. You have learned setting system date and time, changing date and time formats, synchronizing time with an internet server, and changing the time zone.